You look like a psychedelic abstract painting brought to life, a friendly, slow-moving cartoon character. But that is a lie. You are a solar-powered sniper rifle. You are a paranoid, cannibalistic ballistic system wrapped in reptilian skin. You are built for one thing: lethal precision at a distance. Your life begins in a mass grave. You wake up underground. It is dark, suffocating, and smells like wet mold. You are buried 6 inches deep in the soil of Madagascar. Your mother isn't here. She buried you and left you to die 5 months ago. You have a single tool, a calcified spike on your nose called an egg tooth. You slash your head back and forth, cutting through the leathery prison of your egg. Fluid leaks out. The pressure drops. You gasp, inhaling damp air mixed with grit. You are not alone. Around you, 20 siblings are fighting the same war. But the soil is heavy. The hatchling next to you is weak. It can't break the shell. It stops moving. You don't mourn. You use its body as a step stool. You claw upward, swimming through the sand. It's a vertical marathon. You break the surface. The light is blinding. You are brown, tiny, and visibly shaking. You have emerged from the underworld, but you have entered the kill zone. You are a precocial organism. That's a fancy way of saying you are homeless and unemployed from day one. You are the size of a pinky finger, and the forest floor is a battlefield. You need to get off the ground immediately. The soil is patrolled by the infantry, wolf spiders. They are hairy fast, and they don't care about your potential. They only see a soft bag of protein. You scramble up a low shrub. Your grip is weak. Your claws are soft. You are trying to act like a predator, but physics is bullying you. You spot a fruit fly. Your stomach screams. You lock your eyes, calculate the distance, and fire your tongue. You miss. Your depth perception is uncalibrated. The sticky pad smacks a wet leaf instead of the fly. The recoil jerks your tiny body forward, and you dangle by your chin, flailing like an idiot. The fly buzzes away. This is the humiliation loop. Every missed shot costs you calories you don't have. If you miss 3 times in a row, you don't have the energy to cock the gun for a 4th. You will starve to death while looking at food. You survive the hunger, but now you face the darkness. Your eyes are miracles of engineering, packed with cones for high-resolution daylight vision. But you have 0 rods in your retina. That means you are legally blind at night. You shut down. You lock your feet onto a branch, turn your skin a pale, ghostly white to resemble dead wood, and enter sleep mode. But the forest doesn't sleep. A cat-eyed snake slides along the branch. It hunts by scent. You can't see it, but you feel the vibration. The vibration gets closer. If you move, you die. If you flee, you fall into the darkness. Your only defense is crypsis, becoming a stick. The snake's tongue flicks inches from your face. It smells the air. You hold your breath. Your heart rate is the only thing moving. The snake pauses, decides you are just a piece of bark, and slides over your tail. You survive the night, but the sun brings air support. You bask on an outer branch to warm up, exposing your silhouette against the sky. A rookie mistake. A Madagascar cuckoo, a predatory bird, screams above you. You freeze. You flatten your ribs to look like a leaf. The bird lands on the branch above. Its talons strip the bark. It scans for movement. You are terrified, but you are boring. The bird flies off, snatching a careless gecko from the next tree. You live, but you learn. Visibility is death. 6 months pass. You shed your skin, and with it, your weakness. You are no longer a brown speck. You are a titan. You have grown massive. But your real upgrade is the weapon in your mouth. You have developed the most advanced ballistic system in the animal kingdom. Your tongue is not a muscle, it is a catapult. You have an accelerator muscle wrapped around a bone spike, loaded with collagen sheaths. When you spot prey, a massive praying mantis, you don't flex, you load. You slowly contract the muscle, stretching the collagen rubber bands, storing elastic potential energy. You are drawing a bowstring. Trigger pull. The tongue accelerates faster than a fighter jet. The tip isn't just sticky. It is a suction cup coated in mucus 400 times thicker than human saliva. You hit the mantis. Now, the reel in. You drag the struggling insect into your maw. It has spiked legs, but you don't care. You crush it with your jaw plates. You convert its struggle into fuel. You own this tree, but ownership is expensive. A rival male enters your perimeter. He wants your territory and the females within it. In the world of the Panther chameleon, there is no sharing. This is a zero-sum game. First, you engage in chromatic warfare. You flatten your body to look like a billboard. You pump blood into your color pouch. Your skin flashes violently, shifting from green to angry orange. He charges. The ritual ends. The violence begins. You lock jaws. This is where anatomy turns against you. You have acrodont dentition. Your teeth aren't in sockets. They are fused to the bone of your jaw. They do not grow back. You bite down on his leg. He bites your face. You torque your body, using your tail as a fulcrum, and throw him off the branch. He falls 20 feet to the forest floor. You win, but you spit out blood and a piece of your own tooth. You have secured the breeding rights, but you have permanently damaged your weapon. The gap in your teeth will never heal. It is a permanent stat reduction. You are 2 years old. In human terms, that is nothing. In chameleon terms, you are ancient history. You are built for a live fast, die young strategy. System failure. You fire at a beetle, but the recoil mechanism jams. This is floppy tongue. The hyoglossus muscle is too weak to retract the heavy projectile. Your tongue hangs from your mouth like a dead snake, dragging in the dirt. It dries out. It picks up debris. You can't close your mouth. You can't eat. You can't drink. Your primary weapon has become your anchor. You are starving. Your fat reserves are gone. Your grip strength, the zygodactyl clamp that held you safe for your entire life, is failing. A gust of wind hits the canopy. A younger, stronger you would have ridden it out, but you are empty. Gravity collects the debt. You hit the forest floor. You are back where you started, in the dirt. The infantry returns. The wolf spiders you dodged as a hatchling are back. They found you. You are too weak to flick them off. You don't get a funeral. You get recycled. Your body becomes the protein for the next generation of hatchlings waiting underground. Nature doesn't do retirement parties. It just collects the debt.